Senate Republicans are proposing a new set of U.S. border security measures as a condition for sending more aid to Ukraine. The proposal, released yesterday by Republican Senator Lindsey Graham and Jim Lankford, would resume construction on the border wall, cut back humanitarian parole for migrants, and make it more difficult for them to qualify for asylum. The proposal is unlikely to gain enough Democratic support to advance. Well, one of the most charged election issues is immigration. In September, Border Patrol agents recorded nearly 291,000 migrant apprehensions. That is the highest amount so far in 2023. And many of those people will enter a chronically backlog immigration court system to try and avoid deportation. Now, over 2 million people are waiting to have their cases processed, and about half of which are asylum seekers. Specifically for asylum seekers, the average person has to wait 1,444 days to make their case, or about 4 years. Immigration courts hear cases on a variety of different things about granting asylum, appealing a denial decision from the Citizenship and Immigration Services, or requesting to stay in the United States for other reasons. Generally, the process starts with the federal government issuing a notice to appear, and then there's a shorter hearing. It's called a master calendar, at which the judge asks a few questions and then schedules the next court date. Eventually, an asylum seeker will get to make the case for why they, as an individual, should be able to stay, and then eventually get a decision. Part of why the process takes so long is because the immigration courts are understaffed. Only about 650 immigration judges are responsible for all of these cases. A Migration Policy Institute study found that each judge completes less than 500 cases a year. So different administrations have tried to address this shortage by hiring more judges, but the Biden administration alone has hired approximately 200 judges, but that hasn't made a significant dent in the backlog. Many judges lack consistent support staff who could help speed up these cases being processed. Now, the Migration Policy Institute also cites other red tape issues like inefficiencies in case filing procedures that slow down the process. So on the campaign trail, candidates frequently tie the issues of immigration and crime together. But is there any truth to that connection? In our 12 p.m. hour, CBS News correspondent Omar Villafranca is going to investigate that.